Hi guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Do you need help in connecting your Brother Hl-L2395DW printer to wireless network to complete its setup? Well, this video is for you. Here, you will learn the step-by-step instructions to first connect your printer to Wi-Fi and then set up the printer using the Brother app on your smartphone. Keep watching the whole video so you don't miss any steps. And hey, if you run into any trouble along the way, our experts are just a call away. The numbers are right here on the screen. Alright, let's dive right in. Alright, on your Brother's printer screen panel, tap on the Wi-Fi option. Once you've done that, go ahead and select WPS option from the menu. Now, a confirmation screen is going to pop up on your printer screen. When you see it, just tap on Yes to confirm. Now, your printer is going to show you the screen that asks you to press the WPS button on your router. Don't worry, we'll do that in a second. Alright, now it's time to head over to your router. Just locate the WPS button and give it a quick press. Once you've pressed the WPS button on your router, head back to your printer screen and simply tap on OK to move things forward. Awesome. Now, once you see the connected message appear on the screen, that means your wireless connection is complete. Alright, now grab your smartphone and open the Brother iPrint and Scan app. If you don't have it already, no problem. Just head to Google Play Store or the App Store, download it real quick. And hey, if these steps are helping you out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom of the screen and tap on printer icon down there. Next up, you're going to tap on the option that says machine connected to your network. And finally, when you see your printer's name pop up on the screen, just go ahead and select it. And that's it. Your setup is complete and you're ready to start printing. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.